ब्रह्मनाथ। शांति शांति शांति। स्वस्थ। Hello students, in the previous class we discussed about the hemophilia. Hemophilia is a sex-linked disorder in which the person is unable to clot the blood. Hemophilia, we discussed the three types: hemophilia A, B and C. Whereas the hemophilia C is the mild form of the hemophilia. Hemophilia A is is due to the deficiency of the clotting factor number 8. Hemophilia B is due to the clotting factor deficiency of the clotting factor, that is your factor number 9, and further the C1 is due to the deficiency of factor number 11. Also we discussed the sex lethal genes, sex influence gene, also the sex limited genes. Okay, girl of normal, problem number 1 based on the colorblind. A girl of normal vision whose father was colorblind marries a man of normal vision whose father was also colorblind, then their son should be dash, or we can say from total number of son, their son should be what? Okay, option are here: all are normal, all sons are normal, 25% are colorblind, 75% are normal, all sons are colorblind, or 50% colorblind and 50% normal. Okay, there are 4 options. Obviously you have to do the cross. Okay, so first point, what will be the genotype of the mother? How you will know? As we have told, normal vision mother means it could be XCX or it could be XX. Then how you will know that she is the carrier or the normal? Because here written a girl of normal vision, then it could be 2 conditions: it could be completely normal or she could be carrier. How you will know that she is carrier or not? In exam, if it is written a girl of normal vision whose father was colorblind, if it is written a girl of normal vision whose father was colorblind, then you should know that the girl is carrier. Please note this. Okay, so the girl is your, or the mother is your carrier, means XCX. No, it is not XX, because normal vision girl whose father was colorblind due to the crisscross inheritance, we can say that the girl which have the normal vision but she is carrier. Now we'll do the problem. Acha, next point. What is the genotype of the father? This one is your mother. Okay, this one is your mother. What I'm not going to in detail, means parent genotype, means the gamete, this is not required. I am in this point, we only require the answer. So in shortcut we'll do the answer. Acha, there is a normal man of normal vision whose father was also colorblind. In this case you should not be getting confused, because in that case I have told that the girl of normal vision whose father was colorblind means you should know that the girl is the carrier. But we know if it is told that the man with normal vision means man cannot be carrier, it should be normal or he should be carrier, or it should be colorblind. So in that case you should not be getting confused. Okay, the men are 2 types, if one normal or colorblind. Okay, so in that case we know marries a man of normal vision, means here we'll write X and Y simply. Then the gamete formation XCX, you know XY. Now we'll do the cross XCX XCY XX XY. Okay, XCX means carrier daughter. I'm just writing about the sex, means carrier. Okay, I'll write the daughter, carrier daughter. This one is your XCY, means colorblind son. Colorblind son. XX means normal daughter. XY means normal son. So what is our question? That their sons would be dash from the total number of sons. Means total number of sons means we will see only these 2 points. Okay, we will not see this one. Okay, we are not required to see the daughters, only we will focus on the sons. Okay, so what we are finding, that from the 100% of the sons we find 50% are normal son, 50% of the colorblind son. So what are given in the option? Sons are all normal. Is it all normal? No. 25% colorblind. Is it 25%? No. 25% of the total child. In the question it is said their sons should be of the total number of sons, means from the 100% of total sons. All are colorblind? No. We find normal sons are colorblind sons. So your answer will be 50% colorblind. That is your D. Means from the total number of sons, 50% are normal son, 50% is your colorblind son. So your answer will be 50% colorblind son. Okay, note down. Now we'll do 2 more problems. One will be on the hemophilia and the other one we'll discuss now. Problem number 2. A hemophilic man marries a normal homozygous woman. Normal homozygous woman. What is the probability that their sons will be hemophilic? Okay, so a hemophilic man means we know X. Hemophilic man means XH. Colorblindness we were writing C, but now we will write the H. Hemophilic man marries a normal homozygous woman, means there is no confusion that she is carrier or not. Normal homozygous means both the allele are same, means XX. Okay, gamete formation XHY, XX. This one will cross with this one, this one will cross with this one. First one will find XHX, next will find XHX, XHX. Next this one will cross with this one, will find XY. This one will cross with this one, XY. Okay, okay. What we are supposed to find, only we will focus on that. This one is your daughter, this one is also your daughter, these two are your son. Okay, so we will focus only on this one and this one. So what is your question? What is the probability that their sons will be hemophilic? As we find both the sons are normal, means is there any chance that the sons will be hemophilic? No, there is 0% chance, because these are the normal sons, both. Okay, those we don't require what are the female or what are the daughter, we don't require to discuss. We only will focus on the son, as it is asked the son, about the son. What is the probability that the son will be hemophilic? As the both are the normal, the answer will be 0%. Okay, next come to your next problem. A family have 5 girls and no sons. 5 girls, no sons. Probability of son in the 6th child will be dash. This is a trick question. Okay, whatever it the condition may be, a family may have 5 son and no girls, or 5 girls no son, or she had no baby, or she may have only 5 girls, means we can say 5 girls or 2 sons, or 4 girls and 5 sons. What may be the condition? This is the trick question. Always the probability of having the new baby is your 50%. Okay, of the son or daughter is your 50%. If it is asked what is the probability of son, it will be 50%. What is the probability of daughter? It will be 50%. Okay, the first line is for only due to your confusion, to create your confusion. a family have 5 girls and no sons, okay, or if it is written 5 sons and no girls, then what is the condition for the next baby? Okay, means if we will focus only on this particular condition, a family have 5 girls and no sons, what will be the probability of the son of the 6th child? Okay, what will be the probability of son in the 6th child? Or maybe it asks what will be the probability of daughter in the 6th child. Whatever may be the question, what is the probability of son or what is the probability of daughter, always the answer will be your 50%. Okay, your answer will always your 50%. Okay, if it is asked the probability of the son in the future child or the probability of daughter in the future child, whatever the question may come, okay, whatever may be the condition, the answer will be always 50%. Okay, please note down. Now your fourth problem on the basis of the blood group. If blood group of the parents are AB or O, okay, AB or O, the possible blood groups of the children are dash. Okay, so it is given the parents blood group are AB and not or, we can write and. Okay, and O means your father could be AB, mother could be O, or mother could be AB, father could be O. You can take any case because it is given AB and O. Okay, so we can say, we can take mother's genotype and the blood group. Okay, if we will take mother's blood group as AB, then obviously the genotype will be IA, IB. Then in the father case, we will take the opposite, means the O. If the blood group is O, then it is I0, I0. Okay, now we will cross in between this, in between the father and the mother. So if the I0 will cross with IA and IB. The question is your, what are the possible blood groups of the children or offspring? Similarly, how you do the cross, you will do accordingly. Gamete formation, I0, I0, IA, IB. Similarly, as you do the cross, you do normally I0, IA, I0, IA, I0, IB. Similarly, I0, IA, I0, IB. Okay, so in this case we will find the blood group A, in this case we will find the blood group B, in this case we will find the blood group A, in this case we will find the blood group B. So we are finding two type of blood group, either A or either B. You can take any case, means in the father we are taken in the O group, okay, in the case of the father, and mother is your AB. You can also reverse that. You can take mother as the O and the father as the OB. Your answer will be same. Okay. So we are finding only two blood group, that is A and B. Do we find O positive? No. Do we find O negative? No. Do we find where AB case? No. But we find A and B. So your answer will be A1, that is your A or B group. Okay? Easy? Please note down. See, your next problem. If man of A blood group marries woman of AB, means we find that the woman is AB blood group. Which type of progeny would indicate that the man is heterozygous? Why it is given the heterozygous? Because if a man is A blood group then it could be of two types, means it is maybe heterozygous or homozygous. Means your answer will be, see, father is having the A blood group, okay, A blood group, means he can have two conditions, okay, either heterozygous or homozygous. If heterozygous, then the condition will be IA, I0. If homozygous, then it will be IA, IA. So the question is, in which type of progeny we will find the heterozygous father? Okay, we'll do two crosses. Okay, first we'll do the heterozygous, then we'll do the homozygous, because mother we know that is AB. Okay, mother is your AB, means obviously IA, IB. Okay, so we'll do the cross first. IA, I0. This one is your heterozygous father. Heterozygous father will cross with IA, IB. Gamete formation IA, I0. IA, IB. Okay, cross will do. We will find IA, 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 IB, I0, IA, I0, IB. So we will find IA, IA means A blood group, IA, IB means AB, I0, IA means A, I0, IB means B. So in this case we find A, AB, A, B. We will see in the next case, that is your homozygous condition. This one is your heterozygous, means IA, I0. This one is your male, this one is your female. Now I will do this one. IA, IA. Okay, this one is your male, cross with IA, IB, means the female. Okay. Similarly, gamete formation IA, IA. This one will be your IA, IB. We will cross similarly. This one will cross with this one. We will find IA, IA. Sorry. IA, IB. Okay. Next we will cross with this one. IA, IA. Okay. Lastly, IA, IB. IA, IB means A blood group. IA, IB means AB. IA, IB means A blood group. IA, IB means AB. Okay. So now come to the answers. Here we are finding A, here we are finding A. Here we are finding AB, here we are finding AB. Okay? But here we are finding B, but here we are not finding B. So your answer will be, is in which type of progeny would indicate that the man is heterozygous? And this one is heterozygous. This one is heterozygous. This one is homozygous. Okay, so in which case we find B? Because A we find in both, AB we find in both, but the B is that would vary from the homozygous. Means your answer will be B. We will find the in the case of the progeny B, the father will be heterozygous. Which type of progeny would indicate the man is heterozygous? Your answer will be B. Okay, because in the case of the heterozygous father, when crossed with the AB blood group mother, we find the blood group B. Okay, so the answer will be B. Please note down. Next question. If a child has O type of blood group and the mother is B type, what will be the genotype of the father? Okay, child is having the O blood group. Okay, O, the genotype will be I0 I0. Obviously, mother it is given B, means it can have two types, I0 IB or IB IB. But as the both the allele of the child is I0, then obviously this one is not there. Obviously this one, because if the child have both the allele I0, then must be, if both the allele I0, mother should have, or at least one allele should be I0. So as in this the both the allele are the IB, so this one is not the case. So here we confirm that the genotype of the mother is I0 IB. So now the question arises, what is the genotype of the father? Obviously, if one allele comes from the mother, then it would be obviously the I0. Then other one confirm that the father should consist of I0 one factor also. So IA IB, this one will not, because as it does not contain I0. IB IB, this one it will also be not, as it does not contain I0 in any of the allele. But we can consider these two conditions, I0 I0 or I0 IB. But in this case, if your questions come, then your answer will be always the I0 I0, because we'll prefer always the homozygous condition. If like this question arises or like this condition arises, we'll always prefer the I0 I0 case, means the homozygous case. Okay, now we'll do the cross, we'll find whether the O group is coming or not. Obviously it will come. Father will take the I0 I0, mother is your obviously I0 IB. We find the answer already, we are just doing for your confirmation. I0 I0, sorry, gamete formation will do. Gamete formation, I0 I0, I0 IB, I0 I0, I0 IB, I0 I0, I0 IB. Here we'll find O group, here we'll find B group, here we'll find O group, here we'll find the B group. Okay, so in the offsprings we found 2 O group. Okay, we can also take the I0 IB, but as it is given 2 options, so we'll prefer the homozygous condition. So your answer will be the A1. Okay, your answer will be the I0 I0 father. Okay, so the genotype of the father will be I0 I0 having blood group O. Okay, please note down. So last problem, blood group of husband is A and wife is B. So what is the possibility of blood group of the children? So if the blood group of husband is A, then the genotype could be either IA I0 or IA IA. Then the genotype of the wife is as the blood group is B, the genotype may be IB I0 or IB IB. So we'll cross in 2 ways. First we'll cross the homozygous condition, then we'll cross the heterozygous condition. Then we'll see what the possibilities of blood group are we found in the offspring. First we'll do the homozygous husband will cross with homozygous mother. Next we'll cross the heterozygous and heterozygous. So homozygous husband means what we will find? We will find IA. Okay. Homozygous mother means IB. Okay. Gamete IA. IB. IA, IB, similarly IA, IB, okay. What we find? This one will be also AB, this one will be also AB, this one will also AB, this one will also AB. Okay. Next we'll cross heterozygous husband, heterozygous mother. I am just writing shortcut hetero. Okay. We are taking the hetero in both the cases. Okay. Husband hetero means it will be IA, I0. For husband means I am writing like this. Okay. And hetero mother means I am writing like this. Okay. IA, I0, and this one mother means IB, I0. Okay. Heterozygous gamete formation. IA, I0, IB, I0. Okay. Two conditions. We'll cross now. Okay. IA, IB. Okay. IA, I0. Okay. I0, IB. Last one. I0, I0. Okay. So we'll find AB here, blood group, A blood group here, B blood group here, O blood group here. So what is your complete resultant we'll find? Okay, we have done in the both the cases, homozygous husband, homozygous mother, heterozygous husband, heterozygous mother. We know husband is your A blood group and mother is your, or wife is your husband, mother means, or we can say mother, simply you write mother. Okay, wife is your B blood group, means we can write IB or IB-I0. So what possibility we find? We find in the homozygous condition all are AB. In the heterozygous condition we find A, B, AB, O. Means if we will say see in totally, we find only if we do we find only AB and B? No. Do we find only A, B and AB? No, we are finding O also. Do we find only AB? Only AB? No, we find also AB also and all the AB, A, B, O also. So this condition is also not. So your answer will be D option. We are finding A, we are finding B, we are finding AB, we are finding O. So this is your right answer. So your answer will be the D one, that we find A, B, AB and also O. So your answer will be the D one. Okay. We discussed from the color blind, we discussed from the hemophilia, we discussed from the chances of the sex of the offspring, and also we discussed from the various problems related to the blood group. Okay. So this is all about your today's class. We'll meet in our next class. Thank you.